What couldn't go?
Let's see if we can get a picture of the ground station. So that's the Cyclops NOVA OSD that I was just looking at before it went blank.
Okay, I'm starting the GoPro.
Start the GoPro. So we're not using the patch antenna, we're using this receiver right here?
We're using the 900 megahertz.
Oh, over here, okay. Oh, this is for your goggles. You've got a secondary, what, 5.8?
Well, that's for the big copter.
Oh, for the big
copter runs on 5.8 and the SkyWalker runs on 900 megahertz.
Oh, okay, so that's not even hooked up.
Yeah, we're not using that at the moment.
Okay, so the 900 is the receiver over here.
Okay, alright, we're receiving signal.
And let me check for signal.
We're recording.
I see a good signal. We got OSD in picture.
Here we go.
Alright. We're doing line of sight at this point. Alright, I gotta move out of the cockpit. Don't hand me the control because I got a camera in my hand.
Okay. Receiving good signal here, not too bouncy.
This is way off in the distance. I'm almost full zoom, and that's a 20x zoom. Okay, coming on. Getting closer. Headed for you. Well, you don't have much wind, I guess, and it's not swimming very much. So the GoPro is recording as it heads to the mouth of Walker's Creek. I see it with 20x zoom. It's steadily headed away. It's making a slight left-hand turn. Okay. So the river is the new river. We got tired of the old one, so we've upgraded. No, that's what they call it, the new river. Running parallel to the river, I think. Something just flew by you. Did you see something go by your plane? Alright, headed back this way. You're a lot closer than you were before to us. Yeah, you're like straight in front of you. You're not near where you were before. There goes another bird. I think that bird was closer to me than you. Yeah, well, I'm on 20x zoom and I'm just barely being able to keep up with you. I'm full zoom and it's small.
Turn back towards us now, eh?
Yeah, I believe, yeah.
There's Walker Street.
I say I'm having trouble seeing it now. It's so far away. I'd say you're a good mile or so. Yeah, you couldn't see it with the naked eye, but I can see it on the zoom. My hands are getting tired though. Looks like it's
Right up Walker.
you're way off on your right now, and it's looks like it's headed back in. Now,
Gradually turning back towards us, really.
yep, you're turned right at us now. Aimed right at us. And way up high.
560 feet.
560, okay. Now is that 560 above ground or?
That's from where we started right here.
Okay.
Zeroed it out. We zeroed our OSD out right here.
Okay, you're directly overhead right now.
I'm going to switch to line of sight here, and because it's flying in a good straight line, and I'm just going to let it fly, because that's what makes a good shot. Just let it fly.
Alright, it's head behind us. It went behind us. I can't even get it back in the picture. Oh, there it is. Got it again. It's way beyond the houses now. I think it's going back to your house.
Make a gradual turn and go back over where we'll try to go right across the hill where the hotel is.
Let me see what, oh,
Are you getting any signal?
there's no video. It's,
Take off the truck. See, it's line of sight, so the trailer's blocked. Here in a few seconds, you're going to get your signal back. Probably.
Okay. Right now I got some signal. It's a little rough, but let me zoom out here because I can't see it when I'm in zoomed in. There we go. Yep, starting to clear up now. There, now I can see the.
Hotel, or have I done? I'm probably past.
You're aimed back at the bow in the river.
Yeah, right now I'm just about over the motel, but where the camera's pointing way out front,
Yeah,
you're probably seeing the river.
yeah, I'm seeing all river right now. It looks like you're over the railroad tracks, but you're really not.
No, I'm just barely on top of the hill right now. That's what a fool you see. You'll think you're one place, but you're actually hundreds of feet
Yeah,
back from that point.
it looks like you're over the railroad tracks. And you may be, I don't know.
I'm not. I'd say I'm right about that corner right there, about that telephone pole right there.
Now you're showing that you're on the other side of the railroad tracks in this video. Now you're between the railroad tracks and the river. See, you're up so high.
Yeah, you're so high and your camera angle is shooting out in front of you. That's why it looks like.
I believe the video's right, though. Yeah. You're turned back in towards the railroad tracks a little bit now. But you're still between the tracks and the river. You're about to get on over the tracks. Yeah, it feels more on the right though. You'd have to turn more right. Just lost video. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah, I think there's a microwave link.
But as soon as you moved out, you moved away from the antenna, it came back. So. Yeah.
Right now I'm looking right at the motel.
Yeah, and I'm looking at the side of the plane, so that makes sense.
I've been gaining a little altitude. I'm towards here now.
I can hear it. Oh, you made a right-hand turn. Yeah, I see you now. Wow, you're way out there. About to hit that bright patch. So if I zoom in just above that bright patch, you should be able to see it. There it is. Got it.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
Got it in the viewfinder.
I'm at the center of the river right now. I'm closing in on 600 feet.
You're way up there. So what size battery do you have on it?
That's a 26. There it is.
That's doing really good.
I'm a little above half throttle. 630 right now.
And what size is the motor?
It's a Part 450.
Huh. So it's a slow spinning motor, but what would the, I guess I would say,
It doesn't get you, it's no use putting a bigger motor on it.
yeah,
Because you're limited to a 7-inch diameter propeller. Because the way it's pusher,
yeah,
you know, you probably just get the tail. So putting a bigger, like I looked at your video and that looked to me like you had a real big motor on there.
well, I had two different motors I was reviewing.
So unless you can find you a 7-inch 3-bladed propeller,
Yeah,
that bigger motor's not going to do you any good.
well, the smaller one was the black one. And that was recommended by Bev RC. It was a SkyWalker kit, and I think it's a 980. What it is, 980 kVM.
Closing in on 800 feet now. Gradually climbing. There we go, 800 feet.
Wow, I can barely see you in the viewfinder now. But you're there.
We got good signal. I'm actually on the other side of the river now.
Okay, we're going for 1,000 feet. So we're over here at 900 feet right now. So 913, still climbing. Be in the distance, right? Yeah, well, I see where it is, yeah. I think it's this intersection right here. Yeah. I think I'm right in the area.
1,000 feet yet?
I just went out. Where? Yeah, 9,000 feet right there. Take a look in there. Barney, take a look here. Tell me, well, you can look at the plane, I know, but... Okay, yeah, you don't have to look. You don't have to look. I was just going to ask you where Walmart was to make sure I was right, but that don't matter. It's gone now.
It's an illusion because we're actually 1,057. Let's see, there's the bridge. Right through there, right, I'm going to try to put that circle on Troy's house.
All right.
Troy's house is right there.
Okay, and where's Walmart?
All right, it's going to be on back this way. See, right here's the exit. I'm going to put the circle on the exit. See, there's the exit.
Yeah.
And then you follow the road up. And Walmart is right there.
Right, this area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, that's where I was thinking it was. I believe 1,100 feet.
All right,
and that's above where we are now.
Shut the motor down, and now we're going to glide.
Okay, where are we
The
at?
torque of the motor makes it change. I'd say we're right over top of the...
So this is us here.
That's us right there. And see, remember, this is always pointing to home.
Okay. I should be straight up and down.
Wow, look how far you can see out through there.
Wow. And this is on a kind of foggy day, too.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, we still got
well,
700
here it
feet.
looks like we're over the railroad tracks.
When we land, I got to adjust my elevator because I've run out of trim.
Should be right straight out there.
I see it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
see it right there.
See it
And
now.
see, it's flying good today. I mean, that's about as straight as I can get it to fly.
Yeah, it's doing just beautiful.
So you can tell there. Look at that smoke out there from that fire. You can tell it.
What's burning out there? They have a brush fire?
It's probably trash or something.
Yeah.
Probably somebody burning brush or something.
I like where the river splits right there.
Yeah, it's got that little. See, there's Walker's Creek.
Oh, yeah.
And see, that's just out of our vision, right behind that hill.
Right
there.
over here. Yeah.
And see, right here. See, there's the hay bales. There's that road, and see, there's a little field out there we can't see.
Yeah, we walked out to the very edge where those other hay bales are. I think we walked down into here. Yeah, right here. We were right there, and I looked down in there, but I didn't know how far it went.
I think that road will take you all the way to the river.
I think you're right. Got some helicopter activity. Little helicopters. Yeah, we're coming down now, only 200 feet. Because there's no throttle, right?
I just added a little bit just to make sure we get back inside the...
There we are. That's us right there. Yeah, and this little indicator, like you said, points to home.
Always points right back to our home spot here. Now it's saying only 150 feet. 130. So we should be out there.
Seeing it over there, yeah. I just saw it go by.
It says 17 feet.
Now we're about to make a pass.
Oh, we're going to land.
Oh, we're going to land.
FPV.
Okay, here we
Here we go. We're
landing
coming in.
FPV. Oh, beautiful landing.
Boom! It wasn't too bad.
Super duper. It can be done. Just going to look at this motor real quick. And there it is. It's an E-Flight.
Park 450.
Park 450.
Careful, it's still on.
Oh!
You want to cut you a hatch in the side?
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah.
Same side, too.
I'd put a hatch on both sides, I believe.
I got something mounted on the other side. My receiver.
Oh, and the stabilizer's turned on.
Yeah, it is. Maybe that's why I did so good. Now,
I got to figure out which switch up here on the radio is the stabilizer. Not that one. And it's not that one. And it's not that one. That's that one. The
it's
last
that one.
I
What is
flipped.
that one? I don't know.
Throttle hold. Is what
Throttle
I've got.
hold. Okay. Okay, now we're using the Sony board camera.
Now, that's about where we were flying before.
No GoPro, no recording, just all OSD and FPV.
Okay.
You can see. Now, how do you get two battery voltages on that? I guess
One's your camera FPV system and one's your motor.
yeah. I guess that's just the OSD does that. All right. Ah, yeah. Got a little up elevator on it this time. It's going around the corner. Nice picture. Yeah, I think the board camera gives a little bit better format.
I mean, right now
Actually,
the stabilizer is turned off. We didn't check that before we took off, but I believe it's off.
is there any way to tell
Like
on?
I'm flying pretty straight.
Yeah. Is there any way?
Green.
Yeah, I mean it looks level and straight, but is there any way you can tell on here if the stabilizer's on?
No,
Oh.
there's nothing there that would tell us. I can tell that without the GoPro on front, we're climbing a lot better. How tall are we now already?
170, 180
Yeah, I figured it was about 200 there.
over here. Okay. See if I can spot it. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, John and them was wanting to go. They're banging and beating. Laura's got to go to the bathroom, she told me. That's fine. It seems like it's doing really well.